So how do you build trust? Here are 3 ways you can get started. Number 1, be approachable, competent, and consistent. Your employees need to feel that you have their back. They want to know that they can come to you and that you will hear them out. They also want to believe that you're good at your job and they can depend on you when they need your help. Number 2, act with honesty and integrity. Your employees may not always like what you have to say. However, if they know you will always be honest with them and act in integrity, they will trust your judgment. Number 3, admit mistakes. A client at a large hotel chain shared how she made a potentially career-ending mistake that almost lost their largest client. Thankfully, she was able to save the account and keep her job. But instead of avoiding the topic, she now begins her staff meetings with the question, "Who messed up worse than I did this week, and what did you learn from it?" When your employees feel safe, they're more likely to admit and learn from their own mistakes. So there you have it, 3 steps that set the foundation for trust in the workplace.